So here's a video update. I ended up not getting a bunch of the work here, but it's my friend's house. So this is all completely replumbed, a bunch of framing changed, and he ended up gutting it so he could totally re-insulate it and make it nice and efficient. It's now a 5-bed, 2.5 bath. We really wanted to see if we could have thrown a washer and dryer right here. The hell is that? Wonder why that's there. Because there's definitely not room here for a washer and dryer. There's no drain. So I guess they didn't make that work. But he's got nice built-ins in the closet here. Probably he's going to do a better electric fireplace or something here in this like entryway. Nice real open concept kitchen here. They added this beam here, LVL, and recessed it up. That's nice. He's eventually going to do a big stamp patio with a big, like gable end porch on the back here. I don't know when he's doing that. But yeah, he gutted it. All this plumbing, all new electric. It'll be a new house. All new Pella windows that you can see are already in. It's got a new roof on it, and then it's obviously going to get sided. But you can see the kitchen, dining room, and all the insulation you see is getting ripped out and redone. I wasn't able to do this job. I'm not a licensed plumber. I do a ton of plumbing on my personal projects or my rentals, stuff like that. But stuff I can pull homeowners permits on, or buddies that trust me to work on their house that they're not getting inspected or whatever, But I like to get the video progress, all the mechanicals and everything. Because by the next time I get in here, it's going to be a completely different house. I probably won't even get a finished walkthrough. Because by the time he moves his family in, he's not going to want me walking through with a camera. But while it's in construction, they changed something with this. I don't know what they did here. They moved some doors from the initial walkthrough video. I don't remember there being a closet here or something changed. Because I could have swore you walked in and there was a way bigger vanity in here. But it's got a vanity toilet. Looks like a soaker tub for the guest bath for these 3 other bedrooms. He changed something, I'm pretty sure, over there with that closet. I don't know. But up here is 4 full bedrooms. And then he vaulted the ceiling for the master. This is the smallest bedroom. And then this, he rose all the way up. So you got full height in here. The peak's almost 12 feet. That's awesome. It's about an 18 by 11 bedroom here for reference. Pocket doors for the walk-in closet and the bathroom. Changed the window location. Deleted that one. It'll have a nice walk-in tile shower in here. Double vanity. Be real nice. So looks like he deleted the attic door. Probably put an attic access in a different bedroom just so it wasn't in the center of the hallway like they used to do in the 70s and 80s. Looks like regular light fixtures maybe, or probably recessed lights. It's all 12 wire. It's kind of overkill. But it's definitely not code to run it like that. No need for that upgrade, but I think it goes for refrigerator over here. Yeah, we got water line here. Sink, range. And then down here, wanted up for his appraisal value. He added a egress window, just like my house build. So this is his 5th bedroom with a closet. Egress window over here, so that this living space will be 100% guaranteed to be livable or square footage on the appraisal. That's one hell of a busy stack. Wow. My buddy John did this. My licensed plumber buddy John. Bunch of new HVAC work. And then, yeah, he kept copper over here in the utility room, so you'll see it. And then everything that's getting covered with drywall will just have PEX the rest of the house, obviously, for price reasons. But that does look nice. It always looks nice when you got some nice copper in the utility room. Nice new meter. All new home runs. Yeah, he ran a lot of 12 wire in this thing. Tankless. Beautiful, beautiful. Damn, big old service, 200 ampere, just like mine. Yeah, this thing's like borderline dimensions are the same as mine. I was hoping he was going to put a bathroom down here. Make it a 3.5 bath. Or shit, maybe even 2 full baths, 2 half baths. I would have one down here, but he did add a wet bar. It's one of my ideas to have him have a wet bar down here for entertaining and everything. So, but yeah, cool. It's the update. I don't know what I'll get in the future, but it's always good to get updates on these projects. I'm here quoting for a full house drywall. So hopefully we get it. I think I was right around 15,000 hanging finished labor. But we'll see. It's about 3,000 square feet. Maybe a little less because that utility room's not getting done. 2,700, 2,600, I don't know. Total square footage, anywhere between 11 and 13,000 board feet. Somewhere in there.